Alright guys, welcome to another UK Scale and Crawler video. As you can see today I've come out for a little play. Now there's not loads of stuff in here, but there'll be a few things to drive over anyway. Brought the LR3 outfits first, test maiden voyage. We're going out on Fridays, a few of us going up to a place called Thurston Common over in Birkenhead in Liverpool. So we're going to go up there and go and have a play, but just want to make sure everything's alright on the car, so I thought I'd bring it out this morning and go for a quick little test run with it and see how it does. Make sure prop shafts don't fall off and the usual thing, even though they've all been Loctited, they still come loose. So go home and go out now, go give it a test whirl and then see how it does. So I'll see you all at the end of the video.